Hey y'all, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a different angle. I'm coming at you with the first impression of the Quo Beauty Focus Brush Cleaner that I had picked up from Shoppers Drug Mart in my last haul. If y'all haven't seen it, I'll link it up in the card above and whatnot. So I wanted to try it out to see if it was worth it. My daughter had originally tried to wash my brushes with it and she said she didn't like it, but she's 11, so I thought I'd give it a try and see how it works. So you do have to put two AAA batteries in it for it to work. And it has a little buzzing, turns on. Is it gonna focus? There we go. It does come with like the brush stand and the different sizes for your brushes. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works and see if it's worth it, because it was $35 Canadian. And if it doesn't work, I will return it and get my $35 back. So the brush cleaner I am using with it is the Sephora Collection Solid Brush Cleaner. This is my favorite. I just finished one and it comes with a little silicone pad. So what I'm gonna do is put water in it. Leave it down there, because why not? I'm gonna clean my Morphe Eye Concealer Dual Fiber Crease Brush. Is it gonna focus? There we go. That's it right there. I'm going to attach it to it. What my daughter didn't like is that it's hard to attach, which it is, but it is what it is. And you attach it to the bottom like this, like so. So when it turns on, it fans out. So, because I don't have like liquid soap brush cleaner, I'm just gonna get this a little coated with the brush cleaner and try it out. So that is what it looks like after using it. I'm gonna try it again. So that's what it looks like right there. Like that. Didn't really get it clean like how I'd like it. So when I usually clean my brushes, I just get it soaked up with it. And I feel like I can get it way cleaner like this. And look how much cleaner that is. So personally, I think I'm going to return it, because if I'm going to have to double clean my brushes, that's no fun. And the way the attachments are, it's super hard to get it out. But yeah, like this is still a quick little review on it. I don't think it's worth it, especially with the attachment and that it's battery operated. That's a lot of coin that you're shelling out just to clean your brushes when you can manually clean your brushes. And because it's so lightweight, I guess, if you wanted to put like a heavier brush on it like this, it would be almost impossible, because one, there's only certain attachments that fit certain brushes, and like there's only 2, 4, 6, 8, including the one I have. So really and truly, not all your brushes are gonna work, because right, size wise it's gonna be hard to find the right fit. But that's my little thoughts on this. Super small, super quick. I was super excited to get it though, but I'm gonna return it because it's just not gonna be as effective as I want it to be, especially with you struggling to take them on and off it. But I thought I'd give it a try. I still want to try one of those kind of brush cleaners, so if you have any recommendations, leave it in a comment down below. Sorry for this weird angle, but it is what it is. As I have pneumonia, so I'm trying to get better and whatnot. But yeah, if you like this video and this quick little mini review, definitely like this video. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be all listed down below. And I'll see y'all in another real video soon. Bye, y'all.